What is up, guys? John here again. So today I just want to have a quick video. I just want to talk about a few things that are going on with the channel. So for those of you that have been following along for a little while now, you guys know some of the different stuff and mods we've been doing and trying to get LEDs on the truck with the CAN bus system. So obviously today being Friday, I want to kind of get some things done on the weekend. I still work during the week, obviously full time, so weekend's a chance to get to do that. But I just want to recap on a few things because I want to hear your guys' opinion on what you guys want me to attempt next. So this weekend, I'm going to release a video basically just showing what I do on engine wash. I'm going to clean the engine bay because I haven't done it. Actually, I haven't done it since I bought the truck. So it was clean when I bought it, and I bought it about a year ago, and I haven't touched it since. So I'm going to show you guys my procedure on cleaning the engine bay. Super simple, straightforward. You guys probably already know, but I'm just going to show you the way that I do it. So look for that to come out this weekend. And also, I just want to talk about a few other things. So what other things do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see me still try to tackle the CAN bus system with the LED reverse lights, the LED license plate lights, and try to tackle that? I was looking at some resistors that I know how to wire them up, but I was trying to find a clean install, basically so I could wire them up or plug the bulbs in without having to put any additional resistors for this stupid CAN bus system. But I'm kind of giving up hope on some of that because a lot of the ones on Amazon that said they were CAN bus compatible still are not. So let me know what you guys think. So do you guys want me to try and attempt the backup reverse lights, the running lights around the license plate, get those two done? That's one option. The other option is I was looking at LEDs in the bed. I don't have a cap on my bed right now, or like tonneau cover or bed cover, whatever you want to call it. I don't have one, but I've seen a lot of cool ideas. So I think in 2015 or 2016 Rams, there was an option where you could actually have factory bed lights where they would turn on, I think, with the cargo light. So I'm not going to install the factory ones. I actually found ones that are better. They're like 60-inch LED strips that basically you can run on the inside of the bed rails on the underside. They're concealed, you can't see them, they're waterproof, and then basically you wire up those LED lights to the cargo light. When you turn on the cargo light on the switch over here, then those bed lights will come on. That's another option. And I'm probably going to get to all this stuff, to be honest with you guys, but I'm kind of just want to hear what your guys' opinions are on which stuff you want to see first. Third thing, I've been talking about it for a while, is the QTP Quicktime Performance exhaust cutout, and it's electric operated, and you actually get they give you a remote, but ironically enough, with these home link buttons, these three ones on the top, if you guys have that, you can hook them up and program them to these home link buttons. So basically you hit the home link button to open the cutout, you hit the home link button, a different home link button to close the cutout. So I was debating getting that on the way up. Of course, it's probably gonna take a week or two to show up. So I reached out to those guys at Quicktime Performance, see if they wanna, you know, kind of help me out with getting that kit and getting that on the truck, but we'll see what they say. But either way, I was gonna get it. So let me know which mod you wanna see. And of course, because I keep it real on this channel, I wanna show you something else. I don't know if I told you guys, but basically the rims that I got on this truck, everybody's been asking me where I've been getting them from or where I got them from. They're 24-inch, the Hellcat wheels in the bronze color. I saw them on eBay for a little bit, so if you guys want to, you know, get the same wheels, check them out on eBay, but I don't know if they're still there. I had a tough time tracking down bronze 24-inch Hellcats. I saw a lot in black, but the bronze ones seemed to be a little bit harder to locate. But I ended up getting the wheels on this truck secondhand. Some guy with another single cab was just getting rid of them, so that's how I got my hands on these ones, and I got a hell of a deal on them. I got them for like $1,400 with the tires, with the tire stickers already on them that you guys see. I wasn't sure how I felt about the tire stickers, but that's where I kind of chimed in and wanted to say I want to keep it real. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'll jump out here. When I bought these tires, or wheels I should say, they actually had a little bit of curb on this back wheel here. So when I originally bought them, there was this light curb mark here, just barely anything. And then ironically enough, there's a little bit of curb there, barely anything, like I said, but just keep an eye out for you guys that if you do end up getting these wheels with the 305s, like I have, I guess they're 10-inch wide, but with 305 tire, that basically if you even look at a curb, it will curb the wheel. I was pulling out on the left hand
parking space like this on the left, and I just barely touched it. It ripped the tire sticker off, so I have the O actually in my door. I'll show you in a second, but it popped the tire sticker off and I was pissed off. It basically just grazed it there, but it wasn't even enough. I know you guys have probably bumped curbs with these trucks before, but basically it wasn't even enough to shimmy it or anything. It just ever so lightly just touched it, and basically that was the damage there. So I'll probably get it fixed eventually, but just keep an eye out for that if you guys decide to go for these wheels. You literally cannot touch anything with these wheels or they're toast. So a little bit pissed off about that, but I guess on the positive side of things, it was on the wheel that was already curbed from the previous owner, so not the end of the world. And like I said, I barely touched it, and that's the kind of damage. So I gotta glue this tire sticker back down, get that special glue for it, or rip them off. And I have that tire sticker sitting here, so here's the O that flew off when I managed to do that. But and these lights, for those of you guys that haven't seen these are still super bright and working well. But let me know what your guys' preference is. Do you guys like the tire stickers? Would you prefer the truck without tire stickers? And like I said, I'm keeping it as real as possible. There's nobody sponsoring or paying for any of this stuff. It's just me kind of keeping it real with you guys, installing stuff and showing you guys some of the stuff that I do on my vehicles. So I'm gonna do as much as I can to this vehicle, and then I might switch to another platform and just keep going and keeping it interesting. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think the next vehicle, it's either going to be a replacement or an addition to this truck. It's probably going to be a C7 Corvette Z06, so 2015 to 2017 Corvette Z06 is probably going to be the next vehicle you'll see on the channel. I'm debating either selling the Ram and getting that Z06, or I would get rid of the Viper and get the Z06. So again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below of that idea. I definitely want to get that Z06 just because there's a lot of stuff and a lot of modifications and cool things you can do with that. The Viper, on the other hand, doesn't seem to have a lot of interest with other people. Obviously these videos take you know, a lot of my time to make and a lot of effort, and not only just the filming aspect of it, but the editing takes almost twice as long as just the filming itself. So I don't mind doing it, I like it, but I want at least people to, you know, be able to, something that people want to see. So if I make, I mean, if you guys look in the history, I have a bunch of Viper videos. So I mean, if I make those Viper videos and nobody watches them, I kind of feel like it was pointless, and I would rather make content that you guys want to consume or, you know, watch, rather than me just spit out a bunch of stuff that nobody sees or nobody cares about. So that's why I like the Ram. So you guys, you know, there's a lot of people with the Rams, and I think I try to keep it real as possible and try to find mods that you guys can do yourselves. And I'm trying to do everything on a budget. I just show you the wheels that I got for 1,400 bucks. And everything else, if you guys have been following along, I've been doing mods for cheap, the same way that I think you guys would try to do it and be kind of budget conscious while doing it. So again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think as far as the future of the channel, mods and stuff like that, or which cars or vehicles or platforms you'd want to see on the channel. And again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, we'll see you on the next video, and another one coming out this weekend. Take care.